Hey, hopefully this is a quick video. If your liquid crystal screen is completely burnt out and you can't read your odometer, I'll go through some basics just to get there. To take your screen off, up here there's 3 screws. I've already got mine out. The top pulls out. There's locating strips in the bottom. There's 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom. Once those 4 screws are out, it should pretty much come forward. Pull your steering wheel back and down as far as you can before you start. That'll make this bit a bit easier. And then at the back there, is your plug here. Mine I think has a clip broken off it, but get a flathead screwdriver under that, gently pry it out. Once that plug's out, should be easy enough to pull the whole cluster assembly out. Okay, to get the clear plastic cover off, there's tabs like this, push down and back a little bit and just hold. Work your way along a couple until you can get a bit of a gap. Do that all the way along. And the same all the way around. Once those are done all the way around, your screen should come out. That one's been difficult. Once all the clips are out, that bit will lift off. These little gauge pointers will have to come off. You can either get a fork under them or a flathead screwdriver up close, or just lift them off. Somehow I got my taco one wrong. I didn't think I was that wrong, but take a photo of exactly where they're sitting before you take these things off. At the back, there's clips all the way around. Press them in and hold them down. Work your way around, same as you did with the front part. Once the clips are all undone, these pieces just lift off. And this part of the screen lifts off. This is the bit here we're talking about fixing. I've just got sticky tape holding mine. It's dodgy as you can see, but it actually works. This is the bit that I took off. Cactus, I couldn't see through it, haven't been able to read it for 2 years. When you take that off, there'll be sticky shit left on the glass screen. You use a sharp new razor blade to clean that off with a bit of metho or alcohol, or a credit card sort of thing, so you're not scratching the glass. The fun part, find an old digital TV, bust it open. I took out a piece like this, and it's the film. You can see the film on top of this very thin glass. It is glass underneath, so be careful. It's the film we're trying to take off. That's polarizer film. Apparently it's necessary for the digital screen to work. I cut a piece like this, try and keep it as clean as you can, and when you're peeling it off, maybe try a hairdryer or something to heat up the glue. It's stuck really well to the glass. And cut a piece the right size for this. Then I went back to the car. As you can see, it's showing nothing. The screen looks dead, but it does actually, like sorcery, work. And then I just sticky taped that bit on, stuck it all back together, job done. Easy fix. Quick one more thing, before you put it all back together, go back to the car, put your gauges, pointers back on, put your power on, because they'll come up a little bit. Just make sure they are going to be where you had them set up before. Mine wasn't a full tank of fuel.
Good Aussie tennis player. That's what I reduced those.
That's about it. I couldn't get a replacement for mine because it was a 20-year-old car. All the exact same ones are burnt out already, and this is VY 1 ton specific, so they were hard to find. Anyway, this works, and remember, if it's not dodgy if it works. Cheers fella, I hope to sell someone.